today's recipe is one of my personal favorites. This is a dish I always eat anytime I visit Kolkata, and that is chicken Rezala. This is a really unique, flavorful chicken recipe that is really easy to make as well. So please do try the recipe and I hope you enjoy it. My channel, all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. First, I'm going to make an onion ginger garlic paste that we will use in marination of the chicken. So for that, here I have taken a blender. To this, I'm adding 2 medium onions, 300 grams. So adding that. 2 inches of ginger. 9 to 10 garlic cloves. And 3 green chilies. Now we will blend this into a smooth paste. This is our onion, ginger, garlic and green chilies paste. One thing to note is please make sure that there are no solid pieces in this paste because the chicken Rezala gravy is really smooth. Now we will start marinating our chicken. Here I have 1 kg of chicken. Before marinating the chicken, just use a knife to make some cuts in the chicken so that the marination ingredients can really go inside the chicken. So just some small cuts in each of the chicken pieces. I have made cuts in all of the chicken pieces. Now we will start marinating the chicken. So first I'm adding the onion, ginger, garlic and green chilies paste that we made just now. And then 3/4 cup yogurt. 2.5 teaspoon of white pepper powder. So I have ground white peppercorns to make the white pepper powder. If you don't have white peppercorns or white pepper powder, you can always use black pepper powder. 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg and 1/2 teaspoon of mace. And then some salt. Now we will mix the chicken with all of these ingredients so the chicken gets really nicely coated with all of this, and then we will keep it for at least 2 to 3 hours. If you're able to keep it overnight, that is great. If you keep it overnight in a fridge, then please bring it down to room temperature before you start cooking. Now I will make a cashew and poppy seed paste. For that, here I have taken 2 tablespoons of cashews and 1 tablespoon of poppy seed, and I have soaked this in warm water for about an hour. Now I will make this into a smooth paste. Now we will start making our chicken Rezala. For that, here I have taken a pan, and to that I will add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and also add 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can make the entire Rezala with ghee if you want, but we add a little bit of ghee in the Rezala because that gives it a really delicious flavor. Now heat up the oil and the ghee really well first. The oil and the ghee are now hot. Now we will add some whole spices. So here I have 3 bay leaves, 5 green cardamoms, 2 Kashmiri red chilies, 2 1-inch cinnamon stick, 2 black cardamoms, 6 cloves and 12 black peppercorns. So we will go ahead and add all of these. And now we will fry the whole spices for 30 to 40 seconds till we get a nice aroma from these. I'm getting a really nice aroma from the whole spices. Now really lower the flame, or you can choose to turn off the oven also for some time, and we will add the marinated chicken. It's important to lower the flame because when the chicken will come in contact with the oil, then the oil can splutter if the flame is not lowered. So go ahead and add all of the chicken. Now increase the flame back to medium high, and we will now fry the chicken for about 10 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes and the masala has been fried really well. Now we will add the cashew poppy seed paste that we made before. So adding that, and we will add 2 teaspoons of white pepper powder Again, if you do not have white pepper powder, then feel free to use black pepper powder as well. And also add some salt as per taste. We also marinated the chicken with some salt, so just be mindful of that. Now go ahead and mix everything well together. I have mixed everything well together. Now I will cover this with a lid and let it cook at a medium flame till the chicken becomes completely tender. Our chicken is now completely tender and our chicken rezala is almost ready. At the end, we will add 1 teaspoon of rose water and 1 teaspoon of keora water and mix this well. Our chicken rezala is now completely ready. It's a really flavorful dish, great to enjoy with pulao, fried rice, naan or lachha paratha. Please try the recipe this way and let me know how it works out for you. And thank you so very much for watching my channel.